Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix Grammarly not working in your Windows 11. So click on start, then here search settings, open settings. Now here click on apps, then installed apps. Scroll down, here you will see the Grammarly application. Click on this three dot, then uninstall again. Click on yes. Now open any web browser. Now here search grammarly.com. Open this first link. Now scroll down and click on Grammarly for your desktop. Now click on Get Grammarly. Now download and install this fresh and latest application. And after that, sign in again. So hopefully guys, using these simple steps, we can fix and resolve all errors in Grammarly application. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.